You all, I know some of you may have thought that I was not going to get back on here to finish up my other, I just say, session of an idea to help you all get your creative juices going and flowing. Another great idea that I have done for years, you all, is to, once I clean out closets and different things, I will usually donate a great portion to the women abuse centers, or either the Hannah home bins, which I don't see a lot of Hannah home bins in this area that I'm in here now. I'm not sure if they still have them or not, but there is a, and I wish I could remember the name, organization, um, women with that are battered and their children. Well, a lot of times I would take a lot of my clothing once I, do spring cleaning, fall cleaning, and winter adjustments, and donate it to those ladies: shoes, belts, hats, coats. Some of the items, though, I would keep to sell online. And this is just an example of a shirt. I actually have never worn this shirt right here. I actually have never worn it. Um, I just call her Tina. The mannequin, the half mannequin actually, is not a full mannequin, that I have in the background that I place the shirt on, is a great idea for you to um, showcase the different items that you may have. Now, I've had these half mannequins for going on probably 4 years now. When I had my first run in boutiquing, I had some nice, shiny, shimmering ones, and I ended up selling them because I did not want to move to the location, the area I'm at now, and have a vast amount of things. Moving from a large square footage home to reducing your square footage size, you have to get rid of a lot of things or purchase storage. So I ended up selling a lot of things that I'm not going to say that I didn't need or couldn't use, but that I could do without. I put it like that. So a great way to showcase your items to sell, you don't necessarily have to have a half mannequin. You can fold up different items and place them on a nice colored sheet, or a nice bedspread, or nice couch even. It doesn't really matter. The units that you can use are eBay, Poshmark, no, not that one. It's another one, and I would not be able to call the name of it right now because I have not actually ever used it. But you can look at different ways to consign your clothes, basically. Most of the places, the units, the vehicles that you place them in, they will get a small commission, but you got to look at it. If you pay for advertisement, it would be so much more than that. So whatever little small percentage they take off for you to be displayed in front of millions upon millions of humans that are, more than likely, a great percentage of them are at home right now, you can consign a lot of your items. It's a great adventure for you to get your kids involved in, give them something to do, teach them how to be little businessmen and little businesswomen, and contribute some of their things, and maybe even give them, let them earn allowance money by giving them a portion of their sales or all their sales. Of course, if you're having bills, you may want to tell them, look, this is to help pay this and that, so I can give you this out of it, but it's a family task, or I guess it's a great word to use. So there's different ways that you can actually consign and make you some great cash flow, okay? I hope this helps. I do apologize. I do apologize for it taking me so long to get back on here to do it. I actually did one yesterday, and I ended up deleting it because it just wasn't up to what I really wanted, my standard. And I did one this morning. I was rushing between different errands, so I deleted it because it wasn't really up to standard. And this really isn't either. I just want to go ahead and do it because I feel a lot of y'all just need it. We all are at a place where we are being more discreet with our coin. So it's a great way for you, like I say, to consign and hopefully earn you some cash. One more thing I was about to say is, there's a second part to this. Actually, I haven't gotten all the way to my different items that I had purchased and I ran across, just different other things that you could purchase or that you may have laying around that you may can consign and earn you some extra cash while you're sitting around the house. Charity begins at home first. That's what I was about to say. Although I do apologize, I'm busy myself doing what I need to do, okay, in this day and time. So with that, I still was praying for you all, especially on yesterday, because I really, really tried on yesterday to get on here, and I was just walking around praying all day for a lot of you all who may view, who have viewed, to just have your needs met, okay? And just because all of your needs aren't met, just know that prayerfully everything that you truly, 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 truly need, because right now, this day and time, um, I want to say everybody is finding different ways that we can live without different things, okay? But you all have a great one. I really, really hope this and pray this helps. And if I have any more ideas, I know I've got to come back on with the little, I say jewelry pieces, but I would definitely push them along, okay? I wish y'all the greatest of luck and greater blessings. Y'all get to it. God bless.